Hello, and thank you for exploring my profile. I am Tayyab, looking for a front-end developer position in a dynamic, fast-growing company. With over 2 years of dedicated learning and following the best practices, I have become an expert in developing eye-catching websites using HTML5, CSS3, with a strong focus on advancing JavaScript frameworks like React.js. If you are looking for a highly motivated front-end developer with a problem-solving mindset, I am the candidate for you.